Are you interested in making money online without any investment? Now that's a question that can ignite curiosity in many of us, isn't it? Welcome, my friends, to a world where making money doesn't always require a hefty initial investment. Today, we're diving into the realm of online opportunities, exploring the vast digital landscape to uncover some proven methods of earning money, all without dipping into your savings. The key is to find the right opportunities, the ones that align with your skills and interests. And that's precisely what we're here to help you with today. First up, we have selling online journal templates. Now, this is an avenue that not only allows you to express your creativity, but also to monetize it. Picture this. You're a digital artist who loves to create. You design captivating journal templates that reflect your unique style and craftsmanship. Each template is a piece of art in itself, brimming with personality and flair. But how do you get these templates into the hands of people who'll appreciate them? Well, the answer lies in platforms like Etsy. Etsy is a global online marketplace primarily used by independent creators who wish to sell their handmade, vintage, or craft supply goods. It's the perfect platform to reach a wide audience who value creativity and individuality. Here's the magic. You create a digital journal template once, and then it can be sold over and over again. Each sale is pure profit, as there are no manufacturing or delivery costs. You craft a product that is not only beautiful but functional, and it can be used by anyone, anywhere in the world. Now, let's talk about what makes a journal template sell. The key factors here are customizability and creativity. Your customers should be able to tailor the templates to fit their needs. Whether they're tracking their daily habits, jotting down their thoughts, or planning their next big project, your template should be able to accommodate that. And creativity? Well, that's where you shine. Your templates should not just be practical, they should also be visually appealing. They should inspire your customers to write, to plan, to dream. They should make journaling an experience, not just a task. So, if you're someone who loves to create, who has a knack for design, then this could be the perfect opportunity for you. You get to do what you love and make money out of it. Not a bad deal, right? So start creating and selling your unique journal templates today. Next, we delve into affiliate marketing through YouTube. Picture this. You've got a passion, a hobby, something you're an expert in. It could be anything from tech gadgets to skincare, from fitness routines to cooking recipes. You're passionate about it, and you love sharing your knowledge with others. Then why not turn that passion into a profitable venture? Here's where YouTube comes into the picture. YouTube is not just a platform to share videos, it's a vibrant community where people come to learn, to explore, and to engage with content creators. And when you build a YouTube channel around a specific niche, something remarkable happens. You become a beacon for that community. You attract viewers who share your passion, and this in turn can attract affiliate marketing offers. Affiliate marketing is essentially a partnership between you, the content creator, and a company or brand. They provide you with a unique affiliate link to their product or service. You incorporate this link into your YouTube videos. When your viewers click on this link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. But success in affiliate marketing through YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency. You need to regularly post videos related to your niche. This not only helps you to build a loyal following, but also sends a clear message to potential partners that you are serious about your channel. Consistency is key to securing partnerships and sponsorships. So think about your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you share with the world? Start creating your YouTube channel around this. Consistently post engaging content, and watch as the affiliate marketing offers start to roll in. Ready to start building your YouTube channel and attracting affiliate partners? Now, let's explore affiliate marketing through Instagram. Imagine your Instagram page as a vibrant marketplace, teeming with potential customers eager to discover the next big product or service. This is the power of affiliate marketing on Instagram. It's like having your own digital storefront where you can showcase products from various brands and earn a commission for every sale made through your links. But how do you set up your Instagram for affiliate marketing? It all starts with choosing a specific niche. A niche is simply a specialized segment of the market. It could be anything from fitness and health to fashion, travel, or food. The key is to choose a niche you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This way, you'll be able to create content that is engaging, authentic, and compelling to your followers. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to build your Instagram page around it. This means consistently posting high-quality content related to your niche. This could be informative posts, product reviews, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or even personal stories. The goal is to provide value to your followers, so they keep coming back for more. But remember, it's not just about posting content. You also need to engage with your audience. This means responding to comments, answering questions, and even initiating conversations. By doing so, you'll build trust and rapport with your followers, making them more likely to purchase from your affiliate links. Now, here's the exciting part. As your Instagram page grows and attracts more followers, you'll start receiving affiliate marketing opportunities. Brands will reach out to you, offering you a commission for promoting their products or services. It's a win-win situation. You get to monetize your Instagram page, and the brands get to reach a wider audience. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start building your Instagram page and engaging with your audience. Our next method is selling presentations. Now this is a method that's not just lucrative, but also lets you flex your creative muscles. Imagine crafting a presentation that's engaging, informative, and visually appealing. The best part? You can earn money from it. You can create these presentations using platforms like Canva, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. Each of these platforms has a unique set of features and tools that make the process of creating presentations easier and more fun. You can use animations, graphs, images, and even videos to make your presentations more engaging. The key here is to ensure that your presentations are not just visually appealing, but also deliver value to the viewer. They should be able to learn something new or gain insights from your presentation. This is what will make your presentation stand out from the rest and attract more buyers. Once you've created your presentations, next comes the selling part. There are platforms like Scribd and Template Monster where you can sell your presentation slides. These platforms attract a wide range of customers, from students looking for presentation ideas for their school projects to professionals needing templates for their corporate meetings. Remember, the price you can charge for your presentations depends on factors such as the complexity of the presentation, the amount of time and effort you've put into it, and the demand for the topic of the presentation. One of the best things about selling presentations is that it doesn't require any initial investment, except your time and creativity. And the more unique and engaging your presentations are, the higher the price you can charge for them. So, why not start creating and selling your engaging presentations today? We have freelancing on Fiverr. Picture this, a digital marketplace bustling with energy, where skills meet opportunity and creativity is the currency. That's Fiverr for you, a platform where you can offer your services in the form of gigs to a global audience. Here's how it works. You, as a freelancer, create a gig that showcases your skill. It could be anything from graphic design to voiceover work, writing, coding, and so much more. You set the price, the deliverables, and the timeline. Now picture this. Buyers from around the world looking for the very service you offer. They come across your gig like what they see, and voila, they purchase your gig. You deliver as promised, they leave a review, and you get paid. It's as simple as that. But here's the catch. Fiverr, being the facilitator of this transaction, takes a small fee from each gig you sell. Consider it the cost of doing business on such a vast global platform. It's a small price to pay for the exposure and opportunities Fiverr provides. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a newbie with a marketable skill, Fiverr provides an avenue for you to earn income online. It's a platform that values creativity, skill, and dedication. It's about time you put those skills to work and start earning from the comfort of your home. The best part? You don't need any initial investment to start freelancing on Fiverr. All you need is your skill, a bit of creativity, and the willingness to deliver quality work. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start offering your skills and services on Fiverr.